Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Markets are testing patience as Bitcoin hovers near critical support and major altcoins show weakness. The SEC closes a major DeFi investigation while traditional finance accelerates blockchain adoption. Bitcoin is currently trading at $86,958, testing the 100-week simple moving average that has historically acted as a safety net during corrections. Failure to hold could trigger a move toward $81,000 or lower. Ethereum sits at $2,927, XRP at $1.91, and Solana at $127.59. The total crypto market capitalization slipped below $3 trillion for the third time this month. The SEC officially closed its 4-year investigation into Aave without recommending enforcement action. Founder Stani Kulichov called it a relief after demanding significant resources to protect the protocol. This follows a pattern under the Trump administration, with the SEC easing enforcement in over 60% of ongoing crypto cases since January. Visa announced a major expansion of stablecoin settlement capabilities to the United States, using Circle's USDC on the Solana blockchain. Cross River Bank and Lead Bank are the initial partners. The pilot program has reached a $3.5 billion annualized run rate as of late November. This enables near-instant settlement 7 days per week. Visa is also partnering with Circle on its upcoming Arc blockchain and plans to operate a validator node. JPMorgan Asset Management launched a tokenized money market fund called Money on Ethereum, seeded with $100 million of the firm's own capital. The fund uses blockchain settlement to enable faster transactions and continuous share issuance. Tokenized US Treasury products have grown from under $2 billion in mid-2024 to approximately $9 billion today. XRP spot ETFs crossed $1 billion in total assets with 30 consecutive trading days of net inflows since launching in November. This stands in sharp contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, which experienced outflow sessions during the same period. Analysts attribute the consistent inflows to structural factors, including easier regulatory access and institutional allocation decisions. Bhutan announced a Bitcoin development pledge committing up to 10,000 Bitcoin, worth approximately $860 million, to support development of Galefu Mindfulness City. Bhutan has been among the earliest sovereign Bitcoin miners, using excess clean hydropower. US unemployment hit 4.6%, the highest level since 2021. This increases pressure on the Federal Reserve to shift toward more accommodative policy. Historically, rising unemployment has preceded Bitcoin's strongest rallies as liquidity expectations strengthen. However, the Fear and Greed Index dropped to 11, firmly in fear territory. On-chain data shows long-term Bitcoin holders have reduced their supply to 14.34 million BTC, the lowest in 8 months. Despite this selling pressure, corporations continue accumulating. Strategy purchased over 10,000 Bitcoin worth nearly $1 billion. Technical analysts warn that Bitcoin's breakdown below $90,000 has shifted short-term market structure in favor of sellers. The next major support sits near $81,000. However, bulls are defending the 100-week moving average, and a sustained recovery above $95,000 would invalidate the bearish scenario. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.